Let's go, guys. Raoul TV team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and what I'm doing this time around is, oh, you just got a glimpse of GSF. I think I should charge them for that. Okay, they're on my channel. Right, anyway, what we're doing is we've got a Peugeot 107, right? It doesn't really matter if it's 107, 207, 807, VW Golf, Audi, whatever, okay? I'm gonna do a little bit of bodywork on it, right? The thing is, I don't really do bodywork. I'm not a bodyworks guy. I can't really blend the spray and things. Not my thing, okay? So I'm gonna do a little bit of bodywork on it. She's not too fussed on how the spray, everything comes out, okay? She just wants it all securing and everything. This is the problem, this is the damage. And I'm gonna show you a life hack, okay? I've already done this on my YouTube channel, but we're doing it for new for 2026, okay? A life hack, I'll show you guys what it is. Basically, it's got a dent on the bumper and it's a plastic bumper. So we should be able to push it out using a bit of water, right? Hot water. Let's go, this is what we're gonna do. Right, okay, so as you can see, that is the dent. Nice dent there, and it's because it's dented there, it's popped out here, and we can't really push it in there and hold it in there because it keeps on popping out. Right, so we're going to get a bit of boiling hot water. Make sure you don't burn yourself, right? And we're going to pop this out and then secure it. Hopefully it should be all right. Then we'll try getting a little bit of paint on it and whatever, you know, just to cover the little, you know, scuff marks up. And yeah, that's it, done and dusted. Okay, guys, so we have got some boiling hot water, so just make sure you don't burn yourself. So put some hot water over this now, where the dent is and everything. You might need about two kettleful. You get some hot water over this, and while this is nice and soft, if somebody just pushes it from this side, hailstoning. It's hailstoning, guys. Hailstoning in May. I mean, what's man talking about? What's going on here, eh? Hailstone. Look, literal hailstone. Hey? You need to apply some pressure from the back as well. There we go. That popped out nicely. Give it some bit more there. And I don't know about you guys, but that is 99% perfect. Yeah. I mean, you are going to get a little bit of crease because there's nothing much you can do about that, but I'll get a bit more water, a bit more, and hopefully that should be perfect. Right, I've got a bit more hot water, so I'll just pour it over it. And guess what? The sun has come out now. It was just hailstoning. It was raining in the morning, hailstoning literally 5 minutes ago, and now the sun's come out. Summer's here. All right, absolute bipolar weather. That's what it is. Bipolar weather. Can't make his mind up. So yeah, just give it a little push out. I think that's the best I can get it without actually replacing the bumper itself. And what else you could do with the water is, while you're doing it, is boiling hot water. You can make yourself a brew as well. I might just do that. But I've used all of it up, so I'll boil the kettle again, and yeah, we'll make a brew. Okay guys, so there we have it, all done and dusted. What do you think about that, eh? I think that looks alright for a little, you know, botch job kind of thing, right? That's okay. I know I'm not professional bodywork sprayer or anything like that, but I sprayed it with a little bit of aerosol can, secured it. The dent, I would say about 90% out. That's it, job done. If you want a temporary repair, obviously if you want to fix it properly, go ahead and buy a complete brand new bumper, primer and everything, and then, you know, fix it properly. But yeah, if you want, I think that will do her. Yeah, right, that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, so that's it, all done and dusted. That's how we replace, no, that's not how we replace, that's how we repair the rear bumper, a plastic bumper. If it's got a dent in it, no creases. If it's got a crease in it, then that's it, you need to replace the bumper. But if it's got like a slight dent in it, get some hot water, boiling hot water, make sure you don't burn yourself, and you know, a bit of pressure, and it should, by all means, it should come out. This one came out nice and easy. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Raul TV, we are trying our best. Check me out on TikTok tonight and this afternoon, this evening, about 4 o'clock-ish. I'm going to go on TikTok live, and then, yeah, check me out every day at 4 o'clock. Most days on TikTok, and in the night time, around about 9:30, 10 o'clock, I'm going on gaming, right? I'm doing the FIFA gaming, yeah? Let's go, career mode. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will see you guys on the next one.